Modern applications are complex, with infrastructure engineers looking after an average of 26 unique AWS services. These services span compute, storage, database, and more, with new services frequently getting deployed as environments grow and evolve. This complexity becomes a real challenge during incidents. Even a simple application with just a handful of services can generate thousands of time series metrics, resulting in an alert storm that most on-call staff are all too familiar with. So how can we simplify management and troubleshooting despite this complexity? Sumo Logic enables you to unify data across AWS services while seamlessly surfacing outage events of interest. This begins by unifying your data. In just a few clicks, critical CloudWatch and CloudTrail data are configured to stream into Sumo Logic. Data from each service gets tagged with the account, region, and entity of where it originated in AWS. With the data tagged, Sumo Logic automatically builds out a map of your AWS accounts and services, providing dashboards on the right that correspond to the service or entity selected on the left. Get a high-level overview of the health of all resources, or drill down to look at services in a specific region or entity. Here in my production account, there are spikes across several resources, ELB, API Gateway, and Lambda, making it hard to deduce which resource might be related to the root cause. The Sumo Logic Root Cause Explorer was built specifically for this purpose. By establishing a baseline for what a normal day or week looks like, the Root Cause Explorer highlights just the out-of-ordinary events. Here I can see that this metric has spiked 1,500% above normal. I can look at anomalies at each level of the hierarchy, or launch the Root Cause Explorer to get a view across my entire AWS account. Zooming into the incident, I can see a timeline of what happened first and how one failure can cause a cascade of problems for other services. I can see that this incident primarily impacted RDS and the API Gateway, with those services experiencing the most anomalies. Filtering for those, I can see that RDS experienced unplanned load, resulting in greater read activity and freeable memory declined, along with a flood of other issues. Such a chain of events would be impossible to piece together without the ability to correlate anomalies. From here I can launch directly from an anomalous metric to see related error logs for that service. The second data starts streaming, anomalies are auto-generated and auto-correlated, meaning no manual work fine-tuning thresholds. Sumo Logic puts the data at your fingertips, the continuous intelligence platform for AWS Observability.